Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a project bidirectional motor driver using transistor. So here we are going to use two push buttons, and by pressing one push button the motor will move clockwise, and when you press second push button the motor will rotate anti-clockwise. So now let's see the components required for this project. So we need one breadboard, 4 BC547 transistor, 4 470 ohm resistors, 2 push buttons, 1 DC toy motor, some connecting wires, one 9-volt battery and a battery snapper. Now let's start with the connections. So first of all we are going to place a transistor on the breadboard. So this is a BC547 transistor. So you have to keep the flat surface towards you, and the terminals are collector, base, emitter. Now let's place the transistor on the breadboard. You have to place 2 transistors on the top side and 2 transistors on the bottom side of the breadboard. So we have placed all the 4 transistors on the breadboard. Now we have to connect the collector terminal of the top 2 transistors to the positive rail of the breadboard. And connect the emitter of the bottom 2 transistors to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now we have to connect the emitter of the top left transistors to the collector of the bottom left transistor. Similarly, we will connect the emitter of top right transistor to the collector of bottom right transistor. Now take a push button and place it on the breadboard. Take another push button and place it on the breadboard. Now we are going to connect one of the terminal of both the push button to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now we are going to connect a 470 ohm resistor. So take a 470 ohm resistor and connect it between another terminal of first push button and the base of the top left transistor. Similarly, take another 470 ohm resistor and connect it between the second terminal of second push button and the base of the top right transistor. Take another 470 ohm resistor and connect it between the second terminal of first push button and the base terminal of bottom right transistor. So here we have connected one terminal of resistor to the push button, and second terminal of resistor will connect it to the base of this transistor with the help of a connecting wire. Similarly, take another 470 ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to the another terminal of second push button. Connect another terminal of 470 ohm resistor to the base of the bottom left transistor with the help of a connecting wire. Now take a motor and connect a fan to the motor like this. Now we are going to connect the motor. So connect one terminal of motor to the emitter terminal of top left transistor and another terminal of motor connected to the emitter terminal of top right transistor. The connections are done. Now let's connect a battery. Connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive rail of the breadboard and negative terminal of battery to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now let's see the output of this project. So by pressing this push button, your motor is going to rotate anti-clockwise, as you can see, and when we will press the second button, your motor will start moving clockwise. So by pressing these buttons, you can change the direction of motor like this. Do not press both the push buttons at the same time, as this can damage your motor. So this is how by pressing the push button you can rotate the motor in both the direction. This is how this project works. Thank you.